Abhinandita Mathur of the Aam Aadmi Party. The question at this moment is AAP trailing, BJP consolidating its lead way above the halfway mark. Is there a comeback for the Aam Aadmi Party that is possible? Number one. And big names of the AAP that are trailing: Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Atishi, Somnath Bharti, Amanatullah, Awadh Oja, Pramila Tokas, Durgesh Pathak and Satyendra Jain. What does this mean for the Aam Aadmi Party, Ms. Mathur?
Morning. With due respect,
these are very early trends, and I think that there is also some discrepancy between the trends that are showing on your channel and on some other channels on the Election Commission website and so on. So I think it would be only wise for us to wait at least until 10:30 for us to get a clearer picture. I'm pretty certain that these trends are going to change. Number two, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, everybody seems to be in a hurry to write us off. Regardless of what happens today, there is no doubt that Aam Aadmi Party is here, it's solid, and it is giving direction to the country by introducing schemes, by doing welfare that the most needy need. We are very proud of the work that we do. And another thing, this election was not fought merely between the Aam Aadmi Party and the opponents. This election is being fought between the Aam Aadmi Party, the Election Commission, the ED, the CBI, the media. I mean, somebody was saying yesterday, how has BJP managed to reduce though I still believe we are going to form the government, but they were asking how has the BJP managed to reduce your seats from 62, 67 to this? And I said, they've worked very hard for the last 5 years to ensure that, Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal are crushed. So it's not surprising that BJP will gain by hook or by crook. But at the same time, I would think
that is Ms. Mathur neither here nor there, because since 2015, you've been also alleging that they are doing Operation Lotus. Not one person has gone the other side. Not one piece of evidence has been given by the Aam Aadmi Party. So allegations, rhetoric during elections apart, numbers is actually what we go for. And numbers are showing the BJP in a very, very dominant situation. More in the region of what probably JVC, you had suggested 39 to 45. It's above that as well. But once the leads start coming, then the wave kind of begins to get more pronounced. But Siddharth, you have a point.
Yeah, so the Election Commission is also now putting out these numbers of the 19 seats that the EC has on its website currently. The BJP is seen leading in 15 and the Aam Aadmi Party in 4. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they're only leading right now in Rajendra Nagar, where Durgesh Pathak appears to have edged ahead slightly.
That is Election Commission data. Yes. We moved ahead of that. But 15 to 4 is 15 what 4. Even the Election Commission is saying.